Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a middle name on a birth certificate. First, you need to contact the Vital Records office in the state where you were born to understand their specific requirements. For most middle name changes, a court order is typically required. You will also need to gather essential identification and supporting documents. Remember, the exact process and associated fees can vary significantly from one state to another, so always check local guidelines. Once you understand the requirements, the next step is to prepare your application. Carefully complete the official name change form, ensuring all information is accurate. You will need to provide certified copies of supporting documents, such as your current birth certificate or other legal records, along with a valid photo ID. Some states require notarized signatures on the application, so be sure to check for this detail before submission. Changing a middle name often involves a court process. You will typically need to file a petition for a name change with the court in your county of residence. A court hearing might be scheduled, where a judge will review your request. Be prepared for filing fees, which can range from approximately $50 to more than $400, depending on your state and county. Fee waivers may be available for eligible individuals. After your name change is approved by the court, obtain several certified copies of the court order. You will then submit this order, along with your completed application and any additional fees, to the Vital Records office. Processing times can vary, often taking from 2 weeks to several months. Once you receive your amended birth certificate, remember to update other important identification documents, such as your driver's license and passport.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.